BIM model viewing function. Drag a model into the scene. In the case scenario outline, view the model with a B label. After selecting the list, click the Components tab. The component details of the model will be displayed. Details will be displayed by layers, to the end of the component tree. Click on individual component on the tree and the corresponding component in the scene will be selected and highlighted. You can also select the component in the scene, and the corresponding individual component will be selected on the tree. In the 51 logo settings in the upper left corner of the case, click Automatically Focus to selected object. When the component is selected, the camera of the scene will automatically focus on the component. When the component is selected, the component details show the properties of the component. You can hide and display component tree nodes. Search the component keywords in the search box. Select the target component from the search results. Click the Settings button on the right side of the search box. You can switch between the two display modes of the component tree, Origin ID and Node ID. You can also modify the highlight color of the component. There are 3 accesses to the model browsing and review mode. Click Preview in the upper left corner of the scene interface. Click Preview in the upper right corner of the scene interface. Click under the case list to preview. To view the model, open the Component panel. Open the Component Details panel and select the individual component to display its properties. Search for components by keywords in the search box. Select the target component from the search results to quickly locate the target component. Open the Roaming panel and there are 3 roaming modes: Sandbox, Walk, and Fly. Set the speed and other parameters and use the W, A, S, D keys to move the scene camera freely. Open the Section panel and set the section range of X, Y, Z. Cut through the model to display internal details. You can also reverse cut the model according to the section range. You can also reset the section box to restore the original status. Open Measurement panel. You can measure distance, angle, and area. Distance measurement is between starting point and ending point. Angle measurement is between 2 sides of a triangle. And area measurement is to measure the area of a closest polygon. Click Clear to clear the current measurement result. Click Setting to set measurement unit and precision. Click Snap to set BIM Models precise snapping. It is turned on in default mode. Open Explosion panel. dragging the progress bar to control explosion level, so as to see the model's internal components more clearly. That is all for this video. Please check other videos to learn more.